Hey, man. What's up, fellas? All right, man. Got a Yamaha here. G22. Customer said when they go forward and reverse, they noticed that there's a grinding sound in the rear end. But if you look, I can see an oil leak there coming from the governor shaft seal. And also, on the back of the muffler, you can see maybe oil spraying from the belts. Which tells me the oil leaking on the rear end up here, but I'm gonna show you how to check the oil in the rear end. All right. I got it in neutral, so now I'm gonna take the belt off. Just see if it's in the rear end or maybe axle bearing. I'll see that leaking there. What we're going to do, we're going to check the oil in the rear end now. If you look at the rear end, you got that plastic plug. You just take it. Well, of course, it ain't going to be easy. I'm gonna go get a flathead screwdriver real fast. All right, you're gonna take a flathead screwdriver. Sorry about that, man. I had to get one. And you want to be careful, man. You don't want to push so hard that you cut the seal. So you want to just take it and push in on it. And try to push out at the same time like that. All right, and you can see if you look at it, you can see the oil's in it. All right, and what you want to do in the same way to fill it back up, you just put oil in it until it fills out, until it starts pouring out the hole there. And it's a 80 or 80, 90 gear oil. And another thing, then you take it and fill it up, and then you put the plug back in, just push it back in. All right. And another thing I noticed too, if you look at it, the clutch. You see the ramp button, that plastic piece of your ramp button, this should be pressed on that like that. This tells me that there's something wrong with the clutch as well. Maybe the spring's lost its tension, but it should be back like that. All right, man, stay tuned, man.